if you watch what happened in the 60s and 70s, women were essentially saying, we can do what you can do, but they can't. Okay? I know you don't want to hear this. Nobody wants to hear this. This is not politically correct. It's true. Men and women, they are two different energies, two different powers. So it's no different than water saying, I can be fire. This is not personal. This is not sexism. This is the fact that we are dealing with two different beings. And until we recognize
we need to stop demonizing difference.
We're never going to be able to set up a society that's actually beneficial for both. So to the degree that we as women are demanding that we are seen as the same as men, we're going to get ourselves in trouble here. When I think about, feminine empowerment, it's about being brave enough to assert our difference. It's about not being threatened by the opposite sex as well. There's a huge component in there.
Our differences exist to help us come together in greater unity, to support us. The duality is set up so divinely, it's orchestrated in such a perfect way that through the exploration of contrast, through the exploration of difference, and coming into a place within self of non-judgment and compassion and love for difference and for the similarities that we share, and through then that union of masculine and feminine energies within and without, we realize that we are all the same. But the difference is a necessary difference in order to come to that unity consciousness, that God consciousness reality that's viscerally felt, almost like being in deep medicine and realizing that we are all one with the universe, with the cosmos, that there is no separation. But in order to realize there is no separation, we have to be separate, and we have to treat the separateness in a very specific way, meaning we have to meet it with non-judgment and compassion. We can't meet it with hate, because that only perpetuates difference, which perpetuates distance, which perpetuates loneliness, which perpetuates loss, a false sense of self, low self-worth, ultimately self-loathing, self-hatred, and an inability to grow and evolve beyond our limitations.